All right, guys, today we have the Ruko off-road amphibious tank. And it's pretty small. It says ages 8 and up, so Byron can barely play with it.
Oh.
But we are going to be testing this thing out and seeing how well it does. We're going to be putting it into some sand, some water, possibly, even though it's freezing outside as I'm wearing short sleeves. But I'm really excited for this water-resistant tank to see what it can handle and to see if you guys would like it. So the box is pretty cool too. As you can see, it has like little water droplets on here. So it's really showing you that it should be able to take some water. So let's get it unboxed and show you what comes in it. As you know, we have the old trusty Milwaukee knife here.
I need to put a new blade in that thing.
Still works perfectly.
Yeah, it's dull.
All right, so let's see what we got here. We got a booklet.
And go over to the pit boss if we need to put stuff on the pit boss.
It just comes in one thing with a booklet. That's pretty small, honestly.
It's like the size of a...
But yes, one of your questions was, does it actually run on tracks? Does it run on the wheels? It looks like it runs on the tracks.
Yeah, rubber tracks. That's kind of cool.
And it says it's amphibious, and that does not look watertight to me. But we will try that out and see if it instantly stops working. So here comes the little tank, nice blue color. And then comes with chargers and a screw, and a little bitty controller. And then here's the old DeWalt battery.
That's more like Black & Decker.
7.4, so we'll get that plugged up and we'll go test out this little tank. See how
I think it came with 2 batteries by how it looked.
Oh, did they have other battery in there?
I think so.
Let's see. Oh, yeah.
Unless, of course, that's just, you know.
Let's take the tape off here. Oh, yeah, 2 batteries.
2 batteries.
So it did come with 2 batteries.
Because I got 2 batteries.
Why is there a salt tablet in here? Yeah, the battery just slides up in there.
Probably so it doesn't get put up in there whenever it's in shipping, so it doesn't discharge.
Oh, that's a good idea. So this does not look like,
well,
this is waterproof, but
I mean, the button is waterproof.
Well, let's go get these charged up, guys, and let's go drive this thing around. All right, guys, we got the Ruko tank all plugged up now and the little Wii controller. Let's see how well this little thing does in some sand and in some grass. And then we're going to see how they do in some water. What are you doing?
I was trying to cover everything, and I was like having half of your face the whole time. So it's going to be a funny video.
Yeah.
Plus, this guy, he's just mowing the road. I don't know what he's doing. I think dude's on something. Oh, well. That's not how it drives.
Oh, look at that, pull some wheelies. Oh, the wheelies. It's like the ripsaw.
I'd be careful going in rock, though. Rock might kill it.
Is it a climber?
I don't know. Probably not by how it jumps back.
Turtle.
Speed is going to do that. But I bet it'll climb over there. Oh. Yep.
Oh, yeah.
And then just floor it. Do. Womp, 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 womp.
Oh. Bro, we a tank. How we getting stuck in the sand?
That is some trigger sound. And it's kind of...
All right, here you go, Byron. The tracks need to be bigger.
Oh.
It's sticking there.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, you're good. Oh, is it not working on this side? So far, not good in sand. Sand? No. Oh. It does pull some nice wheelies. This is probably good for your like 4-year-old or 6-year-old. I'm hoping we could like 2S swap it.
It is 2S.
Okay, brushless swap it. It is moving pretty good.
I don't like the steering.
Nah, the steering's weird. It's like zero turn steering, but with a regular controller. Let's go get her in some water now.
Oh, he's pretty good downhill.
Yeah. Just wide open the whole time. Let's see if this thing is waterproof.
As I miss all the water.
It can go in grass. Grass? Yes! Oh! Oh!
Wheelies through the water.
Wheelies through the water. Uh-oh. That's pretty cool, though. It is definitely waterproof. For now. Boink.
Water in the bed.
Oh, yeah. Water in a little tank bed.
Expecting it to go under completely underwater.
Yeah.
Oh. It floats.
It does float.
Yeah.
Yeah, the rooster tail is awesome. Oh, that's a good shot right there. Water? Yeah! Pretty fun.
That was a cool little toy.
Yeah.
I highly recommend it. I'm having fun with it.
I'd say all your kids would enjoy this.
Yeah, Byron's enjoying it. I mean,
There you go. And the battery's not even dead yet. That was like 10 minutes.
I think the battery's dead.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Well, good thing it came with 2. I deeply enjoyed that. Oh, battery's not dead. Well, it lasted 10 minutes, guys, so you guys should think about getting this Ruko
Ruko.
all-wheel drive tank. Did it get wet up in there?
No.
Wow.
But it's about to. Oh, sorry, I got metal over your truck.
Oh, come on, man. Zara seems to like the Ruko tank. Hey. Hey. What did the tank do to you? Hey. Get away! Get away! Oh no! Oh no! Oh! Oh! Not my tank! Just so you guys know, she is wagging her tail, so she's having a great time destroying my RC cars. The tank did nothing to you. Hey! Can it survive a Zara attack? I think it's dog certified. Oh. Flip it over, flip it over. Who's your Ruko? Who's your Ruko? Oh, thank you. She flipped it over. Oh, now she's smacking stuff. Hemi's over there just like, what's going on? All right, guys. I really enjoy doing these RC reviews for you guys. I really appreciate the team over at Ruko that sent this to us to review. Now, to be totally honest, it's probably not for your usual hobby enthusiast of RC cars like myself, because, you know, we want to go fast. And this is definitely a step above anything Walmart sells. I think this would be perfect, honestly, for either your kid or your grandkid. Depending on how old they are, I think this could really be good for them. Because, I mean, we were having a blast with it driving through water. It is 100% waterproof, as you can see in the video. And it does float, so you could drive it across the lake. But who knows, it might get stuck in the middle of the lake. I'm going to leave some links for it down below. And I really appreciate, again, being able to review an RC. And if anybody's watching and wants us to review an RC, go message me at my email in my channel description. Thank you so much, and appreciate you guys for watching as always.